Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create the garden bloom effect on Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go to higggsfield.ai, sign in or create an account if you do not have one. Click on visual effects and click on um, the garden bloom effect, which is here. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page like this where you see how the effect comes to play. So you can see that floral patterns develop around the body of this individual. All you have to do to create something like that is to click on generate, and then you can upload your first frame here. Then you can describe the scene you want here, then click on generate. You can also leave the model as it is, or you can switch to any of these other models. So once you're done, click on generate, and within few minutes your video will be ready for you. This is an example of the video I created using a different effect, the turning metal effect, and it's really awesome. So you guys should try out this website and let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys.